Hey everyone, we're back again with another authentic Thai recipe direct from our restaurant kitchen in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Today we're making one of the most ordered dishes in Thailand, Pad Kaphrao, but with a twist. We're using crispy pork belly instead of the usual ground pork. It's known as Moo Krob, and it brings an extra crunch against the punchy, peppery heat of holy basil, garlic, and chili as it all hits hard and fast in a very hot wok. This is Thai street food speed cooking. 5 minutes, 1 pan, huge flavor. This is one of my favorite Thai dishes. Let's watch while Worawut shows us how it's done. Add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil to a wok or frying pan over medium heat. Add a generous amount of crushed Thai chili and garlic. Fry for about a minute or until fragrant. Add the prepared and sliced pork belly and stir it into the chili and garlic. Don't forget that you can now book private cooking lessons with our chef in Thailand on either Zoom, FaceTime, or in person at our location in Chiang Mai. Visit chiangmaicookingschool.com for more info. When everything is very hot, add about 1/4 cup of water. Add the seasonings, soy sauces, and oyster sauce. Stir everything well. If you love Thai food but still have trouble saying the names of your favorite dishes, why not give ActiveThai.com a try? At ActiveThai, you can learn to read, write, and speak Thai. Try it out today for free. Fry until hot and sticky. Add some Thai chili slices to spice it up some more. Then add the holy basil leaves. Toss them into the sauce for about a minute. Turn off the heat and serve with rice and a fried egg as a one-dish meal or as a main dish with other Thai foods. Now let's look at the simple ingredients. We used about 10 thick and crispy pork belly slices. The pork needs to be prepared in advance, but you'll find an easy-to-follow recipe on our website. Follow the link in the video description below. We also used a large handful of kaphrao, the one known as holy basil, 4 to 5 Thai hot chilies, crushed, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, crushed, 2 teaspoons of Thai light soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of Thai dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of roti pork flavoring, and 1/4 teaspoon of MSG are often added for extra flavor, but you can leave those out and it will still taste great. Our contact information, websites, social medias, and complete recipe library are available online. Just follow the links in the video description below. Thank you and enjoy!